Oh shit.
Good morning, good night, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. We're on the job site. Looks like the guys have moved the boxing over. I don't know when they've done that, but anyway. Let's go, lazy. And it's dark. The concrete's not for another 45 minutes. Alright guys, we're getting ready. We're starting to chair up, we're setting the laser up, setting the little fellow up. Elijah's going to have a go first. Elijah has never screeded concrete, but he's going to have a go on the laser. We'll see what happens. I'm just back up. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Concrete Ninja. Today's going to be an exciting one. We're going to use all these new machines that we've never used before. Some of you guys have probably used them, but us ourselves, we never used them. So it's all learning experience for us. So I'll bring you along. If we get stuck, we're going to stop the slab. So we don't have to go the whole way. And I think it must be about 700 squares, this one. So they moved the boxing along, so it's a lot bigger than it was the other day. But anyway, let's go. Let's see what happens. Bye. Okay guys, we're away. The little fella done one bay so far. And I just screwed this field again. But let's go, we'll see what happens. Alright. Let's see where we go. Okay, just did that bay. I'll get on the bullfight. Bullfight it. Alright guys, we've been going. Elijah's been on the laser screed. I haven't even had a go yet. I've been running around doing everything else. I'm the only concreter here, me and Lee. And Lee's just a new age concreter, so he doesn't know everything yet. So I'm running around like a madman trying to get everything fucking organised. And it's not the best day. So far, not that good, I don't reckon. We've got to get better at using it, I suppose. But at this point, and all these young guys, these guys we've got here, the Tongan guys, they're not concreters, so they don't even know how to rake properly. So maybe we had real concreters with us, it might be a different story. But I can see why they use the pan, that's for sure. Alright, I'm just having a break for a minute. We're halfway nearly. But I'll tell you right now, I reckon I can screed faster than that thing. It might not be able to screed perfect, but that's what I mean. That one doesn't do that perfect where I can do perfect. So I feel like when I do it mine, it's one done. The finishing job, no wonder you just have to pan. You just have to put pans on there all the time because it's not bloody flat. When we screed, it's dead flat. We don't have to use any pans. So anyway, not enjoying it so far. It's all right, but hopefully the next one will be better. Hopefully the time we get to the end will be better, and hopefully I'll get a go, and we'll see. Isaac, he doesn't even know how to screed, so and he's having a go on the laser machine. I don't understand, but oh well. Everyone's gonna have a go at something in life. Very good. Well, that pass was a lot better. That was the best pass he's done yet. No, he's getting better. Getting better. Look, that one, Lee. That one looks pretty good. Alright, back over here. Let's go. Well, it's 8:30 and we're a bit past halfway, so it's taken us 3 hours. Honestly, I'm not trying to give the machine any shit, but human power is just as fast. And human power is more accurate, that's for sure. We're spending a lot of time fixing up after the machine. So, that makes a lot more work for me. I'm gonna start finishing this now. So let's see what happens. They're gonna have to get the rest in, hopefully. Alright, I just broke this first part here. Bit wet still. So we'll go back up here and help these guys. Let's go watch a bit, eh? Show you what we're doing. We're getting there. I understand it's the first time we've used it. We're not going to be that good. Like I said, Eli, he has never done it before, so he's never screeded before, so that's really good. That's better. Very good. And I just got in the way of the laser. Beautiful. The boys are giving us the sharkers. Yeah, guys. Loving it. That was good. Don't worry about it. Didn't have to do it. No, don't worry about it. Just mag that in now. And bullfight it. Boys are fixing the wheels up. That's the go. That's better. Right, it was all about the teamwork. That's it. A lot better. I just stop there. Go, you haven't stopped. Good stuff. That's what it looks like. No. Not as fresh as mine, but still good. I didn't have to do it, so it's even better. The boy's going to rake it out again. So no pump on this job, we've just been backing the trucks up and letting them out. Hey, that was a good one. That was a real good one. That's it, just stay on him, we've got to stay on him. Yeah. Needs more concrete, eh? Yeah, it needs a bit more concrete there. So it needs a bit more concrete there. I started braking, it's still too wet still. Oh yeah. No, we're right. Oh, I got a bit of rain coming now. You just gotta do what you gotta do. On the chart. Does it show anything on the radar? That's the go. Yeah, him turn that vibrator on afterwards is way better. So it's not leaving a big hole in the front. Oh. Slow down, slow down. Look, you got a little hole in the front. Here, look. Holy shit. Yeah, turn the vibrator off. Well, it's alright. Done job. Get hell. That really sucks. Oh my god. That'll keep it wet. It'll be easy for your bull floating. It's fucking pissing down. Yep, I'm gonna go close to it now. Okay, it's 10 to 9. And we're getting a big chopper over here. Just line it up to here, where that is. Was the forklift thing too big for it? Was the forklift points too big for it? It's got forklift things in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, way too big, eh? Oh well. Just put it down here for now. Just put it down here for now. Wait. I just leave it there, yeah. Cool. Alright, so she's rained on me pretty bad now. So the whole slab is drenched with water. So to make it even harder for me, gonna test my skills today. Ain't they? These guys are getting it going now on the laser screed. Looking really good now. I don't know what happened then. Conked out. What's your name, mate? Bella. Fella? Fella, okay. This is Fella. We're trying to get a few of the guys' names as we're going around today. We're asking these guys what their names are. I'm saying these will just help these guys. What's your name? When I say your name? Say hello to your family.
I don't have a name.
Huh?
I don't have a name.
You don't have a name? That's alright. Not many people do. You want to say hello to your family? What's your name? Liver? Yeah. And what's your name?
Pino.
Huh?
Pino.
Pino. Alright. Awesome. Thank you for your help. Good work. Alright, we're away. Oh, look at that now. Beautiful. Needs fuel. Ran out of fuel. He's doing it good now, eh? Getting some fuel. So what's the battery for? The lights?
Really? Let's go on.
And start.
Yeah.
And maybe the pump for the water. The electric pump? So
Yeah.
electric pump.
Yeah, that might be it. Definitely for a start.
Oh, hopefully she goes good because she's going to save the day. All right, we're just filling up and I'm going to get on this slab again and hit it. I'll eventually show you when I'm finishing. Haven't pulled this one out yet. We just got more rain coming again. Oh, it's not my day, is it? And we've got it one way easy and the next way's hard. But they're doing a better job now with this. I don't have to screed anymore, so that's good. Good shit. It's all about this guy. He's got to tell what's going on, really. One good raker can make a big difference. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice. Well, that pass was a lot better. So it's getting better. We are getting better at it. Like I said, I didn't really like it at first. But as we get along, we're getting better at it. It's getting easier. We don't have to screed anymore. So that's what the main part was. We didn't have to screed anymore. And now I'm there. Just gonna wait for the weather to go away. Come on. What is gonna rain on us today? Oh well, lucky it's this area here is going to have what do you call it, cold rooms put all on top of it. So at the end of the day, it's not hasn't have to be perfect, but we want to do a good job, like always. All right, let's go. It's 9:30 and it just keeps raining, guys. Just keeps raining. Inside it's still going. I nearly got it all in. It got raining. Did not know it was going to rain today. Oh well. Alright, I just broomed some of the water off on all that rain. Hope it's gone away now. And I hope I can get it back. Let's go. Alright guys, it's 10:30. Let's clean these up a bit. It's 10:30. And they nearly got it all in. Lee's just screed in the last bay, probably the best bay. But it just keeps raining on us. It just won't stop raining. It's rained 3 times now. I nearly got it back and then it rained again. So I'm just going to keep hitting it. That's all I'm going to do. That's all I know about it. Miserable day. Oh, it's supposed to be a good day. Far out. Oh, it's 11 o'clock. And it stopped raining, but there's more rain coming again. Oh man, lucky this is a cold room. Because I wouldn't be happy if it wasn't. Hopefully tomorrow, we're doing this pour tomorrow. We're going to do another 2 bays. So yeah, hopefully it's good. Well, it's about 12 o'clock and it hasn't stopped raining. Oh my God, look at poor Lee. Look at me. I'm covered in concrete. On the helicopter. I'm just trying to make it happen, but it ain't happening. Mate, I didn't even call it. It wasn't my call today. I didn't even check the weather. I didn't even think the weather was going to be bad. But oh well, shit happens. That little helicopter there's got grinding blades on it, so you might have to come back tomorrow and just sit on the helicopter and grind the fucking slab flat. Well guys, a little update. We've had more rain again, but finally we got some blue skies. Hopefully we can get a gap. I've had a go on the ride on. Had my first go, worked it out. But we just keep getting rained on, so it ain't helping very much. I am spewing. Oh, my camera's all jammed up. Lee's been going. How was that down there with the helicopter?
My feet just started to dig in.
Oh, you did it? Okay, cool. All right. Well, you know you're right now. So you hit all that bottom part now, haven't you? Or just that end bit where you screeded last?
Now, and that
Yeah,
last
yeah,
bit,
yeah.
The way we screeded.
Yep. Good, good. Well, we're just pushing more. I've pushed water off 3 times so far. And it's not good to push the water off either. We know this, the cream. But what do you do when it keeps raining? We've got to get this thing done. But I've worked out the helicopter. So I've got it sussed out, eh? Yeah, it's cool. In fact, it was good concrete. We were thinking better. Maybe tomorrow we'll get a better job. I got to start.
The first day.
Yeah.
Can't be so hard on yourself.
Yeah, I know.
First day with the new rig.
That's it, Elijah.
First day with the space pod.
Space pod.
It should be on Mars.
Yeah. Elijah did a good job. Elijah's never screeded before, ever. And he went and done all that.
Never hand screeded.
Nah.
Wow.
And he did all that with that machine. So that proves that you're going to go and buy one of those machines and give it a go.
Good job.
Just wouldn't do a job this big on the first time.
No.
No. All right. Look at me, I'm fucking covered in mud.
Yeah.
Gross. I'm going to have some concrete burn tonight. I always say I don't get concrete burn, but I think I might get it tonight. We'll get you. Maybe I'll get a shot of me on the chopper eventually. But at this point, we're just into it. I can't get no one to film me, so just gotta go. Just gotta go. All right. So what I've learned about this machine, it's pretty good. No accelerator on the foot there. Hand control. She's all dirty already. I'm gonna clean her up when we're finished. I want to keep it nice and clean. I need to wind them blades down, don't I? Yes, I do. Alright, I'm being into it. Now I'm going to have a little go. So I've got this part done, but not the bottom part yet. Let's go. Alright guys, it's 5 o'clock. And we're still at it. And look at this. The Tongan boys have set up the whole next slab. Boys, you've done an awesome job, eh? Beautiful. Yoo-hoo! Bloody legends. But yeah, she all got done. She got done pretty good. Oh, I don't want to step on slab now. I just step in slop. You see, she's all pretty burnt. But we got rained on 5 times, so come on, gotta give us a break here, mate. Not every day. Rains like this. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that, because I didn't. It was fucking full on. Rain on us 5 times. We had the new laser screed. How would you think, Elijah?
Not fun.
Not fun. Elijah's never screeded, and he done that. He done half the slab all by himself, really. Like no one, like he did the whole slab, really. I was guiding him a little bit, but not the whole time. But you did pretty good. I reckon if it doesn't rain tomorrow and we get it all bull floated sweet, we'll be right. You know what I mean? Be easier times, for sure. All right, I'm going home, but I've had enough. I've got to come back early in the morning, so these boys got this sussed, so we're going home. Bye-bye. See you all tomorrow. That's the slab. Bududoosh. Tomorrow it will be better. Hey, I don't want to stay there, right? Keep scrolling away all the time, right? Yeah, you will, yeah. That's it, I was just trying to be real careful around the poles and shit. And around the boxing, I didn't want to hit a peg.